Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy A27 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And here we need to scroll and find the option Sounds and Vibration. Here let's simply tap on Ringtone. And we've been transferred to all pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. As you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from. At the top, we've got the option Silent, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any sound to notify about the incoming call. And on the other hand, here in the right upper corner, we've got this plus icon, so you can choose something from your own files. If you've got something, for example, downloaded, it should appear somewhere here. All right, so to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you need to simply tap on it. It will be marked, and you can check whether you like it. So let's pretend I'd like this bubble to be set, and all you need to do is to make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.